Okay, so wanted to take a quick first look at the CNC project. Um, I'll start from the ground up, I guess. We have a 1.5 inch angle iron table. The top frame is welded, and there is 2 cross beams in the middle. And the rest is bolted with 3/8 bolts. We have a sheet of MDF, and then there's a ton of 1/4 inch bolts holding that on. And then we have the frame of the CNC, which is aluminum extrusion, and that is bolted down to the MDF board and then to the cross beams underneath with 1/4 inch bolts. So you can't see the cross beams, but there are 2 extrusion cross beams under the wasteboard, and the wasteboard is bolted to those. And then we have the gantry and all that up there. So all that is wired into there, and then it's plugged into a laptop with Mach 3, just running the free version right now. It is about $150 for the full version. Not sure if I'm going to get that or find a different free program or just keep using this one for a while. But I have it hooked up to a Steam controller, and this thing is wireless. So I changed a couple of the settings, and I was able to get movement working. So that's pretty cool. I think the y-axis is pretty noisy, and I don't know if it just needs grease and it'll quiet down. We haven't greased a whole lot yet, so we need to do that. But for the most part, everything is pretty good. Just needs to get squared up, and then I think we can cut some parts and see how they look. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.